In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favorites in Outlook 2025. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes of your time. First, let's head over to Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and launch the application. You can find Outlook in the Microsoft 365 suite on your computer, or access it via their website for an online experience. Once you have Outlook open, you'll want to locate the sign in option, which you'll find in the top right corner of the application or web page. Clicking on sign in will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you already have them saved, it might autofill for you. Otherwise, proceed to enter your email and associated password. Having trouble remembering your password? You may need to use the forgot password feature to reset it. After signing in, you'll want to navigate towards your inbox if it doesn't automatically take you there. From here, take a look at your folders on the left side of the interface. This is where your main navigation menu is located. Browse through and select the folder you wish to add to your favorites. This could be your inbox, sent items, or any other custom folder you've set up. Adding a folder you frequently access to favorites can significantly streamline your email management process, offering one-click access whenever you need to check it. When you've selected a folder you'd like to add, position your mouse cursor over it and right-click. This action will bring up a context menu with several options relevant to that folder. Look through the list until you see an option that says Add to Favorites. Click on it and instantly you'll notice the selected folder gets added to your favorites section, usually pinned at the top of your folder list for easy access. Having fast access to important folders is incredibly beneficial for staying organized and efficient in your daily email tasks. By adding folders to favorites, you're essentially creating a shortcut that allows you to jump straight to the most significant areas of your inbox. To verify that your addition was successful, glance back at your folder pane. You should now see the folder listed prominently under the favorites section. You can add multiple folders if necessary, following these exact steps each time, and if you ever need to remove a folder from favorites, you simply right click on it again and select remove from favorites. I hope this guide made the process crystal clear for you. Remember, organizing your Outlook efficiently will save you time and improve your overall email management experience. Thanks for following along and happy emailing.